In 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, City Government of Digos.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next Vice Governor, Attorney Leoke Cagas Fernandez.
Thank you. Grabe mo introduce ba? Pressure po ta mangusganan eh. May hapon sa tanan. Daghan day may kabatch dire na pa isa ka batch na mo, to pa isa ka batch na mo. Grabe ni mga taga National High School. Thank you very much for including me in your activity and welcoming me also. I'm very proud nga Digos City indeed is performing in line with the vision of our late Governor Cagas, whose legacy in Davao del Sur is unquestionable and unparalleled. Klaro gyud nga ang mga paryente, mga kaapelido ni Governor Dodo Cagas ug kauban na pud ang atong Vice Mayor nga nagtinarong gyud sila sa penerbisyo. Naagi makita gyud nga kami tanan mga project oriented, naagi no? Kay kita tanan man ta taga Davao del Sur, including ang mga taga Digos City, also from Davao del Sur. And we intend to continue the legacy of Governor Dodo Cagas through projects, through aid to the people. We bring government closer to the people. And also, I would like to extend my gratitude to the men in uniform nga naagyod permi sa atong atubangan ug sa atong likod ug kiliran nga mag-preserve of peace and order and also to help the community build itself, especially in these times nga bago pa ta nag-earthquake, nga napatay pandemic, and we know nga even through these calamities, dapat ang local governments nato of like the city of Digos and the province of Davao del Sur dapat walay puas, dapat unrelenting ang atong pagmugna og mga proyekto that will bring government closer to the people. Because it is only by bringing government closer to the people that we preserve peace and order. We maintain, no? We maintain the ties between the people and government. So congratulations. I know that this is only one project, but this is part of the continuing vision of Mayor Joseph Cagas and in line also with the legacy of our father of the province, Governor Dodo Cagas. So thank you very much and congratulations, sir.